Now I want to explain you what is the use of the distance formula. In fact, we can use the distance formula for finding the distance as its basic job. If 3 points are given, we can check whether triangle will form or not. We can prove if triangle will form, will it be equilateral, scalene, isosceles, right triangle, right isosceles, or points are collinear. If 4 points are given, forming some quadrilateral, with the help of distance formula, we can check whether the quadrilateral is a square, is a rectangle, is a parallelogram, is a rhombus, or something else. So distance formula can be used for finding even area of pentagon, hexagon, decagon by converting them into triangle. So in continuity of it, I am taking an example where we will use the distance formula for proving that given 3 points are collinear or not. Here the problem is, so that points minus 2, 3, 5, second point 1, 2, 3, third point 7, 0, minus 1 are collinear. This is our job to do with the help of distance formula. In order to do this work, we will apply the formula of the distance to calculate 3 times. First, the distance between first and second point. D1, the distance between first and second point by using routine formula root of x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square plus z1 minus z2 square. That comes, that is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, its square 9. 3 minus 2 1, its square 1. 5 minus 3 2, its square 4, root of 14. Second, distance between second and third, D2. 1 minus 7 minus 6 square 36. Then 2 minus 0 2 square 4. 3 minus of minus 1 4 square 16. That is sum root 56 can be written as in the mixed surd 2 root 14. Now distance between first and third result, D3 7 minus of this is minus 2 9, that is what 81. Then 0 minus 3 square 9 and minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 square 36. 81 plus 9 plus 36 is 126, its mixed third, simplest form is 3 root 14. I am finding here that the sum of first two distances, that is D1 1 root 14, D2 2 root 14, their sum become 3 root 14, which is equal to third distance. So D1, suppose this is the distance first D1, this is the D2, D1 is the distance between A and B, D2 is the distance between B and C, and D3 is the total distance between A and C. So we can conclude D3 is equal to D1 plus D2, which is quite sufficient to show that 3 points are collinear.